In this video, I am going to share how to fix the You Can't Send Messages problem on Instagram. First, click on the profile icon. After that, tap the three-line menu in the upper right corner. Scroll down and find the Account Status option, then tap on it. Here, you can check your account status. If you see any restrictions or violations, it means there is an issue with your account, and you need to resolve it first. If there are no problems with your account, I have another solution. Open the Google Play Store and check for Instagram updates. Sometimes this issue occurs because you are using an outdated version of the app, so make sure Instagram is updated. Next, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, select Instagram, and tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. Now open Instagram again and check whether the problem has been fixed. If you are still facing the issue, the final step is to uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it. After that, your problem should be solved.